Hi everyone. Today I will be sharing my Johari window, which is a simple tool to understand myself better in terms of what I know, what I others know, and also what is hidden or unknown. So, starting with the open area, mm, patient, friendly, hardworking, and committed to studies, and good listener and supportive with friends. These are the qualities that both I and others can see in me. I see myself as friendly, hardworking, and committed to my studies. People also know me as a patient, supportive, and good listener. Next, blind spot. This is where others see things in me that I may not always notice in myself. For example, people means my friends, sometimes feel that I can be too quiet in their group conversations or that I come across a perfectionist. Mm, they also see leadership qualities in me and consider me as trustworthy person even if I don't always realize it's fully. Moving on to the hidden area. Mm, so these are the things I know about myself but usually keep private. For example, I oftenly hide my stress from others, and I can be self quite self-conscious, and also get nervous before speaking, and sometimes struggle with the overthinking too. And finally, the unknown area. These are the aspects that neither I nor others have discovered yet. For me, this includes how I handle big stress or pressure, the leadership journey that I can lead, and the hidden creativity and independence that I make uncover in my future. So overall, the Johari window helps me to reflect on who am I today and what others see in me, and also what I can continue to discover about myself as I grow. Thank you.